This is my first day in Barcelona. I started my journey from Madrid and I enjoyed a beautiful train ride. I will share my experience in this video. It's a beautiful morning in Madrid and I was waiting for the train to get in. And the nature was very calm. And this is my train. And it will go to Barcelona. There is a nice window inside the train, and through that window I can show you something very special. And now I'm getting into the train. And there is my seat beside the window. We started our journey in the right time. The train started to move slowly. And I saw some parts of the city from the window. It was a beautiful sunny day. And after a while, the train got its full speed. The view from the train was really amazing. I was astonishingly looking everything with full satisfaction. I bought the train ticket at 72 euro and actually it was really so reasonable and time saving. In case of traveling by bus, it will take much time than train. So I preferred train. It takes 3 hours to reach in Barcelona by train. I saw a lot of green fields, rocky lands, mountains in the middle of the way. And everything were just like the train I cherished. I never got bored in the whole journey as I could get a chance to see everything looking by the window. We have come to a station named Castlewood, and the station was really organized. And we stopped there for a while and we started again. Just after crossing the station, a magical moment came and it started raining. It was really fantastic to look the raindrops dropping by the window, and it was such a magical moment I got so far in my life. It rained for a while, and after some time the weather got its previous state and it was sunny again. These are called turbines. After passing some way, I saw a beautiful bridge, and the bridge was really astonishing to look at. And there was a mini lake. There was a beautiful view of mountains. We have come to our destination. Almost. And finally, I came in Barcelona from Madrid. After reaching here, I was looking for a taxi to go to my final destination. And finally, I got a taxi and I told him to go to parallel metro station. And that's how our journey ended.